am sitting in a 2013 four-door Nissan Altima. This is on the 20-digit system. I'm going to be programming 2 proxies in. So let's get started. Altima, key coding. (2013) Smart 1. Program key. Hazards are on. Yes. Okay, all we have to do is cycle these things in now. Push the button, it'll blink, hold it up. There we go, dashboard lights up. Take it away, push the button, turn it off. Next key, push the button, hold it up. Dashboard light on, turn it off. To close it out, press the button, hold it up, turn it off. Key programming is complete. Check our buttons. They work. Car's on and we're done.